Hello everybody. Welcome to our channel Happy Gardener. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. If you are not a subscriber, please do come and get subscribe to our channel. We usually upload beautiful flowers and good vegetables grown in our terrace garden. Today I will talk about air layering technique. This is important technique for propagation. How do we propagate a good plant which we have grown? So we have picked up the nice hibiscus, and we will show in this video how we did air layering for hibiscus. There is a lot of material over the internet to tell you how it is to be done. I'm actually showing here the flower, the plant, and how it was done a few weeks back. I'm sure you will all enjoy it. You will learn something. And if you have any questions, you are free to ask us. Please do comment, and you like the video, like it. If you are not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel. Hello, welcome to Happy Gardener channel. This is a hibiscus, a beautifully bloomed hibiscus. It's so nice. It's very big as well. You want to have more hibiscus like this? If you have already one plant at your house, you can have many more. Yeah, I'm going to show, you guessed it correct. I'm going to show the air layering technique in this video. So keep seeing. You can see this is another flower for the same plant. It's such a wonderful color combination. You see the shades of the color. Wow. This is really good to have the plant and good to have these flowers, many flowers. So I'm going to teach you now. This is the air layering technique. So you have to select one strong branch of this plant. After selecting the branch, see, this is the one what we are showing is done almost many weeks back. Okay, so having selected a strong branch, peel off about 1 inch area. Peel the outer skin of this particular branch what you have selected. Once you peeled it off, take either cocoa pit or soft soil, put that soft soil or cocoa pit around the place where you have peeled it off. Then cover that with just a polythene paper or anything transparent. Cover it off. Cover it and make it tight with a thin string. So after around a month, we did this a month back. So after around a month, you can see inside. Can you see that white thing just above that? So this is where you can see these are the roots. You can see the roots coming. Okay, so that's it. It's very easy to have this air layering technique. I am sure you enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe to our channel Happy Gardener. If you are already subscribed, keep subscribed.